Alright, again. So today we have one of them Audi A3 2012. So we're gonna do the front brakes. So first thing, we're gonna open the reservoir right here. Just gonna open it a little bit before we do the brakes. The reservoir is open. So now we're gonna jack up the vehicle. So the vehicle is already jacked up and the stand is underneath it. So I'm just gonna take off the wheel now and do the brakes. So to remove the wheel, you just need a 17 socket. Wheel is off. This one is a little bit rusty, so we're gonna remove the brake caliper and fit the disc pads. Let's do it. So to do this job, all you need is a 7 all-in key and something to wind in back the piston, and that's it. So now we're gonna remove the caliper and fit in the pads. So we carry 2 plastic cover for the rubber. Remove those, then you get the 7 all-in key. Then you go ahead and pull them. So caliper is out. So all you have to do is just rest the caliper one side. Then rest it on the top of that. So now you get your wire brush and you just give it a little clean up. That means you don't have no problem when you pick it up back, you know. So all you have to do is just get out the old one. Old one is out. So now we're gonna wind in the piston, then we put in the new one. But first, we're gonna rub the wire brush across this area. Make sure it can slide. Next side, same thing. Caliper a little bit rusty, but still good. I think it's ready now. They're gonna wind it till it goes straight in. But if you don't have this tool, You can use a flat screwdriver to prise in it before you take it off. That's it. Piston is in. So now we're gonna put in the new one. This is the outer, this is the inner. So let's do it. All we have to do is just squeeze in the clip like that. Bam. It's in. Same thing with the next one. Put it at the top like that. Push it down. That's it. So now we're gonna install it back. Just like that. Easy. That's it. So all you have to do now is just tighten them. Tighten it with the Allen key and the job is done. So you just tighten it till it buck. And that's it, because it cannot go further than how it's supposed to go. You just tighten it till it's tight. That's it. And don't forget to put on the rubber cover. And brake is ready. So all you have to do is just pump up the brake and put on back the wheel. And that is how you do the brakes, front brakes, and the Audi A3 2012 and up. And this is the old one. Them is very low. So it's the right time to change it, you know. And the next side carry a wheel, a brake sensor. So, but I'm not gonna show the next side, because it's the same thing on the other side, like how you do this side. So now we're gonna put on back the wheel and then pump the brake, make sure everything is fantastic. So that is how you do the brake DIY and Audi. But if you can't do it, you just leave it to the professional and they can do it for you, you know.